Think about your situation right now. Examine yourself and see if things are going the way you want them to go, if things are running as you expect them to run. And the New Year's resolution that you printed, the New Year's resolution that you wrote down, think about it and see if everything is working out as you planned it. I guess it will not be working out as you planned for most of you. This is because you dream but you do not do what you dream of. You do not move steps closer to what you dream of, but you think your dream should work out for you magically or automatically. Anything that you dream of is not going to work if you yourself have not psyched your mind for it to work for you. And if you think it cannot work for you, it is never going to work for you. If you are not putting in any work, your dreams are not going to come magically because you pray every day or because you read about it every day. The best thing you can do is to put yourself in action. Move to your goals. Start doing something that contributes to you achieving that dream you have. A lot of people that you see being successful at things started smaller, like how you are starting and you think you can't do it. If your situations are worse and you think it is never going to work out for you, just know that there is someone that you are even better than. There is someone that is suffering more than you are suffering. Mostly I like to talk to young people because you are people with chances and you are the people with unlimited opportunities and possibilities. But most of us bring ourselves down and think it is never going to be possible, and we keep on growing with that to our old age and we achieve nothing. But when we get old, we just realize we had dreams and we could have made them come true. But because we couldn't put in actions to make them come true, we fell off. I don't want people that watch me or my subscribers to be living that life or to be having that story in the future. That's why I'm always on here trying to tell you something, trying to motivate you to start doing what you want to do. God wouldn't have looked at his creations and say all that he created was good if he did not create in the first place. So the Bible even teaches us that if you want to be successful or if you want to achieve your dreams, the first thing you have to do is to create. If you are not creating your dreams, if you are not starting smaller, if you are not doing something that no one sees the end result but you have the results in your head and you are creating it or bringing it to life, you are not going to achieve anything. Because before we see what you have in your head, before we see your dreams, before we see your visions, you have to start creating it. So that's the only hack you can make your dreams, you can use to make your dreams come true, is to create. So if you are not creating anything now, or if you are not on a mission to create your dreams or to make your dreams come true, then your dreams are never going to come true, because there is no one that's going to wake up and ask you what is your dream and say, okay, rest, I'm going to print your dream for you, or I'm going to make your dream come to life and bring it to you. I'm going to work and bring you the results. You have your life in your own hand and you are the one that is best to make what you dream of come true. Be so intentional about yourself and be so mad about yourself. Be so crazy for your success. Be so crazy for your future. Write what you want to do down, and mostly I only even advise you to write what you want to do down, because what you want to do is even in your head already. Don't even get time to write it down. Start doing something. Start moving towards your goals. Anything that you plan of, anything that you want to do, even if you are going to fail, try to start doing that thing. If you want to start doing something and you start doing it without even writing it down, start with all the zeal, all the passion that you have for it. And then after you achieve it, after you get to your results or get to your point that you know that I've achieved what I dreamt of, and you write it down, it gives you more empowerment to continue doing what you do, because you know that you hit the target. One of the reasons why a lot of you do not get your target or do not reach your dreams is because you continue to look at what other people have done and see that the resources that you have at hand or the resources that you have available to you cannot get you there, until you give up on your dreams and you think you can never get there. You think it's the lack of those people that is making them reach where they have reached. But if you are going to start and you are going to know that they also started as you have nothing right now, you are also going to get there and achieve your dreams. But if you let yourself down, then you are never going to achieve your dreams, and you are always going to blame it or you not having certain things or you not having certain resources available to you. Try to challenge yourself today. That thing that you want to start doing it without anything, with no investment, with no money in it, with no resources. Just start doing it and see how it goes. You've always been saying you need help. You need help in starting your goals. You need help in starting your business. You need help in starting that thing that you have always been dreaming of. But if you have not started doing that thing, how will someone even see and say, let me help you? Or how will someone even see you and say, oh, this thing you are doing is really good and I want to sponsor you or help you? So if you have not started creating, we are not going to see it. If you are not started creating, we cannot mark you up or mark you down. If you go to an examination hall and write nothing on your examination sheet, you are just going to cancel your paper and give you 0 because you do not even write anything. So if I want to help you, there's nothing on your sheet for me to help you. The same applies to our lives. If you are not doing anything, there's nothing that we are going to award you for, or there's nothing that we are going to know you for, and there's nothing that you are going to is going to represent your face even when you are not around. One thing about great people is that they are branded. So even if they are not speaking and you see their pictures even speak to you. So that thing that you want to do is going to speak for you in the future, but just your picture when people are not even listening to you or when you are not even talking to them. So you let yourself down and you let your dreams not come true. You let who you want to be not come true when you don't even start doing what you want to do. For young people, I want you to try everything. Young people that are below 20, people even above 20, 21, 22, you have the chance to do everything. You have the chance to explore everything that you want to do. Anything that keeps moving in your heart, in your mind, there's no way that you grow up to 20, 19, 18, 17, 21, 22, 23, that you do not have something burning in you or something that you want to do. I know you've been thinking of this thing for a very long time. You've been trying to become this person for a very long time, for a very long year, and you are even saying that I don't understand you and I'm not in your shoes. That's why I'm saying this. But I'm challenging you today that if you are going to be serious with it, you are going to move up for your goals, you are going to move after your dreams and make sure whatever you think of, whatever you want to become, that person you dream of becoming is possible. You can do it and you can start today. After watching this video, just don't watch any other video again. Just move straight to your goals. Plan your life. Know that this is what you want to do, this is who you want to become, and you're moving after that. We all get distracted along the way. We all lose focus along the way. But the only one that is going to achieve his goals, or the only one that is going to reach that dream, that target that we all want to reach, is the one that is never going to stop. Most times, the thing that distracts us is social media. Even if you want to watch productive content on YouTube or any other social media platform, it attracts you to watch a lot of them that you even forget your goals, you even forget your dreams. So do not stick around videos for a very long time. You just move to videos to learn. You see the title of videos and you know that this video is for me. You click on it and then you learn. After that, you move from the video, you go and plan your life. You go and move a step closer to your dreams, because your dream cannot be made in just a day. Rome was not built in a day, and you cannot win in just a day. But you moving closer every day is what we call another day, another win. Let's be real. This world has unlimited opportunities, and there is an unlimited possibility for everything to come true. Anything that you dream of. Sometimes people like me from Africa think Africa has a lot of limitations, which is very true. But everything that you think of, anything that you think you dream of achieving, is possible. And if you are going to keep yourself to it, if you are going to cling yourself to it, you are going to achieve it. Mostly, the truth is you get distracted, and that is what you have to work on. The truth is, I'm being raw with you, and I don't want to act like I'm the saint here. We all get distracted, but I want to challenge you. 2025, you planned your life. I know the first day of 2025, you told yourself you are going to do this, you are going to do that, but you are failing off. I just filmed to remember you that print your dreams in my comment section, and I'm going to pin it, and I'm going to remember you every day that you told yourself you are going to become this by the end of the year, by the end of the day, by the end of the week, and you are going to remember it. And when someone remembers you, and when your environment around you is towards your goals, you are going to achieve it, and you are going to come out with flying colors. So I'm going to help you And if you are going to stick with me on these videos, I'm going to help you achieve your goals by remembering you every day and every time. It is my dream to see a lot of young people do well, and it is my dream to see myself do well. That's why I really have the passion to support young people to become who they want to become, or to become who they think of becoming and who they dream of becoming, because everything is possible. And I've been thinking of it every time, like everything a young person wants to do is possible, because you have a lot of opportunities and you have a lot of time to try our luck on different things. So don't put yourself down, don't pin yourself down. Come out and start doing what you want to do, because your dream is possible and achievable. Young people and teenagers, I have this video for you. Make sure you click on it right now and watch it, and you are going to be blessed. Thank you.